what is that?
What? What are you? Where are you coming from?
We are aliens from a different universe. My ship needs a quartz crystal to activate the return system. If I press it, I become invisible. Seriously? No one can see me.
Zara ven luma kirashina venna hatai hanoi hashu. The energy is unlocking. Whoa! Rohan? Why do you look so sad and worried? Is something wrong?
Yes, Mom.
What happened?
I think Earth might be in danger.
Earth is in danger? What are you talking about?
Mom, I need to tell you something. A couple of days ago, when I was playing ball in the backyard, I saw something strange.
What is that?
What? What are you? Where are you coming from?
Do not be afraid. We are aliens from a different universe.
Really? Oh my god, I've only seen aliens in movies. I'm going to call my mom and dad right now.
No, please don't.
Why not? You're an alien.
Please, it's not what you think. If you tell your parents, they'll call the police. Then I'll be trapped here. I'm not here to hurt anyone.
Then why did you come here?
I landed here by accident. I'm stuck here. I can't get back to my universe. My ship needs a quartz crystal to activate the return system.
A quartz crystal?
Yes, it's the only way.
Where can we find it?
According to my scanner, it's somewhere in the crystal caverns in the mountains.
If you get it, you can go home?
Yes. Can you help me find it?
Where are the crystal caverns?
I don't know. That's why I need your help.
Me?
And could you help me find a place to stay until we find the crystal?
She seems harmless. I think I can help her.
I guess you can stay in my basement. My parents hardly ever go down there. But you have to stay quiet, no strange noises.
Don't worry. I won't make a sound.
By the way, my name is Rohan.
Okay.
On Earth, when someone tells you their name, it's polite to tell them your name too.
Oh, I see. My name is Lyra.
Nice to meet you, Lyra.
Nice to meet you too, Rohan.
All right, let's head down to the basement. Hey, this is the basement. You can stay here for now. And the bathroom is right there.
Wow, this room is amazing. I love it. In our universe, we don't have things like this. No beds, no rooms, nothing. I really love this place.
I'll get a couple of clothes from my sister's room. You can wear those.
No, I don't need to change my clothes.
Are you sure?
See this button on my wrist?
If I press it, I become invisible.
Seriously?
No one can see me.
Wow, that's incredible.
But I can make one exception.
What do you mean?
Even if I'm invisible, you will still be able to see me.
That's awesome.
That's alien technology.
That's so cool.
By the way, I'm hungry. Can you get me something to eat?
Sure, wait here. I'll be back in a minute. Here you go.
Thank you, Rohan.
Hey, not like that.
Did I do something wrong?
Yeah. You're supposed to take small bites.
Oh.
And you should wash your hands before eating.
Why?
Because of germs.
I understand.
Also, did you brush your teeth?
Brush my teeth?
Yeah. Your breath smells kind of stinky.
Humans spend a lot of time cleaning themselves.
Trust me, it's important.
I'll learn.
Good. Let me check where Crystal Cave is on Google Maps.
Come on.
Ah, I found it.
Really?
Yeah. Crystal Cave is about 50 minutes from here. It's already getting late.
We should go tomorrow morning.
Agreed. For now, get some rest. I'll see you in the morning. Good night, Lyra.
Rohan is really nice to me. I don't know if all humans are like this, but Rohan, he's really kind. I like him.
This is the first time I've ever seen an alien.
He's teaching me everything I don't know. He's so sweet. I wish I could stay here with him.
Lyra doesn't seem dangerous at all. She seems lost, just like she said. I think helping her is the right thing to do. Good morning, Lyra. Get ready. We're leaving for the Crystal Cave in 30 minutes.
I'm already ready.
Already? Wait, did you brush your teeth?
No,
Did you take a shower?
no. We don't do those things in my universe.
Well, we do them here. Go brush your teeth and take a shower. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay. I'm ready.
Great. Let's go.
Activating invisible mode.
That's so cool.
Your world is so interesting.
You haven't seen anything yet.
Wow, what is that place?
That's a mall. Do you want to go inside?
Really?
Yes. We have some time.
Yay! Wow, this place is huge.
People come here to shop, eat, and have fun.
Why are those kids waiting there?
That's an ice cream shop.
Ice cream? Can I try it?
Of course.
This tastes amazing.
Hey, slow down. Take your time. The ice cream isn't going anywhere.
Wow, so many clothes. Humans like different choices. Can I try some?
Sure.
This is amazing. I love it.
You look good.
Really?
Yeah,
Thank you. What is this?
it's a play area.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
You're having more fun than everyone here.
I have never done anything like this before.
Go for it. Play. All right, Lyra, we should go. We need to find the crystal.
I wish we could stay a little longer, but that's okay. Let's go find that crystal.
Let's go. This is the metro, Lyra.
Wow, it's amazing. There are so many people. Your world is so different and I love it.
I'm glad you like it. Oh no, it's my mom. Hi, Mom. I'm on the metro, Mom. I'm with my friend.
One of my friends called me earlier. She said she saw you at the mall talking to someone, but she couldn't see anyone there. It worried me, Rohan. Are you okay?
Really? I was just talking to my friend, Mom.
Okay, just be careful, all right?
I will, Mom.
Love you, sweetheart.
Love you too, Mom.
I told you the invisible mode would work.
Yeah, but next time, let's try not to scare my mom.
Deal.
Lyra, this is the Crystal Cavern.
Finally, we're here. I hope we find the crystal.
Do you know where the crystal is?
There should be some ancient books hidden in this cave.
Books?
Yes, there should be a book written in an ancient alien language.
An alien language?
Yes. If we say the words written inside the book correctly, it will unlock the hidden energy.
And that will turn it into the Quartz Crystal?
Exactly.
Wow, that's like magic.
It is a kind of magic.
There are so many books here. How are we going to find the right one?
The correct book should react to my device.
Wait, I think I found something. I don't think this is English. Is this an alien language? Whoa, look at your wrist.
My device is blinking.
Zara ven luma kirashina venna hatai hanoi hashu. The energy is unlocking. Whoa!
This is it, the quartz crystal.
We actually found it.
Yes.
You got the crystal. Now you can go home happily.
Yeah. I should be happy. I finally got what I came for. But why do I feel sad? I wish I could stay here with Rohan.
Lyra? What happened? What are you thinking about? Nothing.
Are you sure? Won't you miss me?
Miss you? We only met a day ago. You should go home and enjoy your life in your universe.
Oh. Okay.
Rohan, I have to leave now. Goodbye, Lyra. I really enjoyed being with you. You showed me kindness, friendship, and so many things about Earth. And there is something I need to tell you. I came here on purpose. I was sent here to find the Quartz Crystal. It was an order from my chief. They need it for their plan.
Wait, so you lied to me?
I'm sorry, Rohan.
Why did they want the crystal?
They want to use its power to take control of Earth.
What? Control Earth?
I'm sorry. I never wanted to hurt you.
I trusted you, Lyra.
I know. And I'm sorry. Goodbye, Rohan.
Lyra, wait! Lyra!
We hope you enjoyed this alien story. More fun alien adventures are coming soon, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, if you ever met an alien, would you help them? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.